today we're gonna cut this because of course it doesn't fit in. I didn't do the cutout when it was on 3D. I should have done that. That was the first mistake I did, but it's okay. We're gonna go ahead and cut it out now. And I do have a DEWALT here to cut it, a cutter. I don't know the name of the tool, I forgot what it is, but we're gonna go ahead and use it and see how well it cuts. All right, let's go ahead and do that. I'll show you guys a trick how to cover stuff and harden stuff. So I'm going to use tape. All right, it's basic tape just to cover some of the holes. And it's funny because I used this before and it hold on for many years. So the way it works, I'm going to try to see if we could cover some of the stuff here and then try to center it as much as you can. And you can always cut it. So I do have a pair of scissors here. You can always cut it here and in the inside too if you want to, so it can stabilize on the corner.